Alright, we're going to pretend this is a thunderstorm right here. So this would be, this is what we would end up doing. So I've got, let's say, a thunderstorm right there. So we have what's called warning generation. So the first thing is on this, we can decide if it's one storm or a line of thunderstorms. So that's what I would click on here. So right now I'm just going to say it's one storm, and then you can decide: is a severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warning, tornado warning. We can do dam or levee breaks for a flash flood warning. So we're just going to call it a tornado warning. So I would drag this to the storm, and let's say it's moving east, so I would kind of back step a little bit. So you move it back over there. So let's just say it's and then you can decide. Usually what we do is what we call a polygon, which we actually now, in the old days, you put out a warning, it was for the entire county. Even if the storm was affecting just maybe the southeast corner of a county, back then we didn't have the capability. It was just the entire county would have a warning, and then they'd hit the outdoor sirens for the entire county. And even though the sun would be shining over most of the county, and maybe one storm was just affecting a little bit of it. But now we can actually zero in, say, on the size of the thunderstorm, and it'll actually say the southeast part of the county, and then that way the remainder of the county you wouldn't have any warning at all. So we can really make it much more specific. But let's just say for this example here, we have this thunderstorm like that size, for example, and I'll call it a tornado warning. Then you can pick different things here, like Doppler radar indicated, or let's say a spotter called in with golf ball hail. And so you can really emphasize that the radar, not only is the radar indicating, say, the large hail, but the spotter also said it too. So we'll call it like trained spotters and Doppler radar indicators. So that gets people to really perk up, that we're actually getting reports, not just the radar indicating it. Or you can select trained spotters reported a tornado, law enforcement, and then interstate mile markers, and then you can have a call to action, mobile homes, or maybe this is at night. So basically, you can go through this really quick, and then you can hit create a text. Usually, well, in a practice mode, it doesn't pop up, but yeah, shoot. I can't remember which one it was. Yeah, it doesn't want to do it. Well, this doesn't want to work.
And is it this information that...
So it'll pop up, and then the warning. Pardon?
Is it like this information then that's specific that then goes to, say, in Davenport, City Davenport, that then the severe thunderstorm sound thing?
Yeah, let's say let's say the tornado warning was for Scott County, and then it'll go out to the world, and then of course the weather radio and then all the media, it'll show up on the TV. And